Hey everyone, so before I head to work, I have to leave at about 10 minutes or so, but before I head to work, I do want to pull up the Bitcoin chart, which I have here, and show you guys the price action that has been developing over the last few days. So I posted an update on Bitcoin, I think at the end of last week or the middle of last week, around Wednesday or Thursday. And it was right after Bitcoin had bottomed here at 7,712. This is our temporary bottom so far. If I zoom in, this is the daily chart, by the way, so every candle is 1 day. This was on the 26th of September. We hit the bottom and we bounced a little bit. We had a double bottom again at 7,712. So we have established some sort of support down here at 7,700. And we bounced, we pushed up towards 8,500. Now I was saying in the video that I'm staying patient because these moves don't matter unless you're going to be changing the trend in a significant way. So this move wasn't that significant, but since we did over the last 3 days drop down towards support at 7,700, I did last night scale into some positions around the 7,800 mark, the low 7,800s. So today I'm up 5% on that position alone, and I'll be building that position as Bitcoin keeps developing. So obviously you don't want to go all in at once, but you do want to add more money as you see more strength in that particular asset. So in this scenario, what I said in my last video and what I'll repeat today is that for this to be of any type of significance, you want to see the lower high, which we set, the higher low, and then we want to see this trend change and follow through. You need follow through. You can't just have this break and then come back down. You need more follow through to change the trend. So that's what I'm looking for in Bitcoin. I do have my position set. You'll probably, instead of seeing this just full out break, what we want to see is a lower high first, set that higher low again, and then break. So that way the formation gets tighter and tighter and you get more of a confirmation when that does break. So if we zoom into the 4-hour, see what I'm talking about a little bit. We have the higher low set here. And right now we are pulling back on the 4-hour time frame. There hasn't been a 4-hour trend change. So what we need to see is this top here. You'd want to see Bitcoin pull back a little bit, change the 4-hour trend, which would confirm this daily higher low, and then more follow through and change the daily trend as well. So pretty simple for Bitcoin right now. Anything under 85.35 is just a daily higher low. And so the bulls need a break of 85.35 with follow through. And that would be very, very, very significant for Bitcoin bulls. If 7,000, sorry about that. If 7,712 breaks, then that is very bearish for Bitcoin and probably means that there is further downside. Sorry. We do have support down here in the lower 7,400s, but we'll see if that holds. I also wanted to show of how similar this bottoming pattern is compared to this pattern over here that we saw in June. So we had the low, which was the double bottom, right? So just like I just showed you, we had the high here, we had another higher low, and then we changed the trend here when we broke through this level. And look at that follow through that we had after that. We rose all the way from 7,000 to 13,000 off of this move. Now this is basically the exact same pattern that I was explaining to you here, except these are the two lows, this is the high, this is the higher low, and now we're just waiting for that same follow through that I just showed you. This could follow through and as well go all the way back up to 13K like last time. So just wanted to point that out and provide you guys with some clarity on Bitcoin. I am going to go to work now, so hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you enjoyed the other videos that I put out today, and go check them out. Like and comment. Check out my YouTube as well. I'm kind of suffering on my YouTube. I don't have as much people viewing my stuff as I do on other channels. So if you guys would be kind enough to go check out my YouTube, that would mean a lot. So have a good rest of your day and take care.